We'll guide you through how to make smoke effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to add cinematic visual effects like smoke to make their videos look more dramatic and professional. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example, how to make smoke effect in Premiere Pro, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer to keep everything organized. Once all settings are ready, click Create to open the project workspace and access the editing interface. Next, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. This clip will act as your main background footage. After the clip is placed on the timeline, click File on the top menu to import the smoke effect that you want to use. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the smoke effect file from your computer, then click Open to import it into the project. Once the smoke effect has been imported, locate it in the project panel and drag it onto the timeline. Place the smoke effect above your main video clip so it appears as an overlay. This allows the smoke to blend visually with your footage. After positioning the smoke layer correctly, go to the Effects panel, where you can apply visual effects. In the search bar, type Ultra key to quickly locate the effect. When the Ultra key effect appears in the results, drag it onto the smoke effect layer in the timeline. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust its settings. Scroll down until you find the Ultra key section. In the key color setting, select the color picker or eyedropper tool. Then move your cursor to the program monitor and click on the green color in the smoke clip to remove the green background. This process isolates the smoke and makes it blend naturally with your video. Press Enter on the keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the smoke effect and ensure it blends properly with your video.